watch your back around this place. Don't trust those Willikin folk, almost as much as I don't trust clouds. Oh, why'd you have to pick up those wooden weirdos? This ship is turning into a floating freak show. Don't take too long blowing up that force field. Chaos isn't going to be knocking around his castle forever, you know. I'd watch your back around.
Welcome back. Ready for another magical upgrade?
Tell you nice.
Well, we've reached cruising altitude. I don't know. But swing by when you're ready to land.
Oh, yeah!
Hey, ready to drop in on these trolls and take down that force field? All right, let's do this. And, hope that the stories of those cannons are greatly exaggerated. Well, this doesn't look so bad. No one's even defending this place. Wowzers! You think these people have enough cannons?
Yeah. These trolls sure take their jobs seriously. Getting to the shield generator isn't going to be easy. If you can distract the guards, I'll go around back.
That sounds like you could use a big, strong, and yes, extremely attractive bodyguard. How could I say no? Boom!
Fine. But I move quickly, so stay close. I'll meet you up ahead, okay?
Hey! Hey, wait up! It's so cute how you pretend to run away from me. Oh, that Callie. I guess she's playing hard to get here, or at least hard to find. See if you can grab something to take down this wall. Don't stop now, we're making such good progress. Well, mostly I was, but you helped me.
Dare to try again?
out of my way.
Woohoo! Ha-ha! I'm to die for. Take flight. Oh yeah. Yes!
Don't worry, Callie. We're here. You're safe now.
Yeah. What a relief. Just hit the switch to trigger my explosives when you're ready. I'll try to keep Brain Trust here out of trouble.
Stay with me this time, Callie.
I'll do my best.
Riveter. Bot 9000.
wasn't.
Well, we sure made short work of those trolls, didn't we?
Good job. Now see if you can open these gates. Too easy.
Skylanders of the Earth are strong.
I'm to die for. Take flight!
While not known for their sense of humor, Archeans did enjoy playing the occasional prank, particularly in their secret Archean Vault of Secrets. The prank involved hiding a teleporter under things like pottery and then asking someone to go grab said piece of pottery. The unsuspecting target was suddenly teleported away, giving the prankster the closest thing Archeans have to a laugh.
Take flight! Ah-ha-ha! Nice work! We're gonna need to find something to destroy that cannon. Looks like they've left their artillery system on. I bet a giant could pick up those big shells. We're gonna need to find something to destroy that cannon. Oh, yeah! You call that a challenge? Anything big and explosive ought to do the trick.
Inhuman shield.
Skylander, hey, great to meet you. You guys sure did a number on that creep Chaos, and I can't thank you enough for it. So this here used to be a great spot until those terrible trolls put in the big churning machines. I don't even know what those crazy things do, but I do know that there is still some great treasure in there, not to mention my lucky hat.
I fear nothing. Ah! Too easy. Ah! Ah-ha-ha! Ha-ha!
So the good word is you've become quite the Skystones player, have you? Well, how about a rematch then? Excellent! I think you'll have a tougher time beating the likes of me twice.
In fuego, Chompy. Gargantula. D-Riveter. Dro Archer. Armored Chompy. Life Spellpunk. In fuego, Chompy. Mace Major. D-Riveter. You win. Stone collected.
Well, you beat me again, you did. Kudos to you.
Take flight! Oh, yeah! Yes! Take flight!
Well, hey there. Looks like we found those cannons, huh? Don't worry, I've activated the supply something or other to dispense these artillery thingamajigs.
Translation. We'll need those explosives to take out the big cannons. Let's go. Ah!
You call that a challenge?
Just make sure you're nowhere near me if you get there. All right, let's do it.
Watch out!
Woo! Wow, that was a close one. Yet, somehow I was able to lead us through.
That's amazing, Flynn. But if you don't mind, I'll be the one to set up the explosives here.
Leading the shot.
glad we crossed paths out here. I am certain my store can be of service to you. So, what would you care to purchase this day?
Take flight!
Hey, buddy! Looks like you just found the shield thingy. Well done!
Guess those guards aren't going to let us destroy it without a fight.
I think a boom is in order here.
Now that the force field is down, we can finally pay Chaos a little visit.
Yeah, but we probably should try to capture him or something, right? Right?
Did you hear something?
Just relax, Glumshanks. This is a memory machine. It will help you remember.
Will the straps help me remember too?
See, Glumshanks, somewhere inside your feeble mind is the secret location to the city of Arcus. And I'm going to help you find it. Let's begin, shall we?
You know what? It's all coming back to me now. I really don't think we need it.
Just relax, Glumshanks. Nope, that's not it. Further back. You fool! Idiot! Moron! Stupid! Well done, Glumshanks. Eh, I don't remember that. That's it! There's the island! According to this, to reach the city, we'll need to build an enormous ladder into the sky and...
Sir, I think we're looking at it upside down.
Eh? As I was saying, all we'll need need is a giant drilling machine to tunnel our way down to the buried city. I'll have my minions steal the largest one they can find. Come on, Glumshanks!
Lord Chaos? Master?